Welcome to this screencast. This screencast is about accessing JupyterHub running on Cheyenne Supercomputer operated by NCAR. In this screencast, I'll show you how to access the JupyterHub, how to launch a JupyterLab notebook, and how to navigate around the JupyterLab environment. So the first thing that you need to do is go to JupyterHub.ucar.edu. If this is the first time you're logging in, you will be presented with this page asking you to sign in. So go ahead and specify what your username is on the supercomputer. For the password, you can choose between two options. The first option is your CIT password in conjunction with the Duo mobile app. The second option is the PIN number in conjunction with the YubiKey token. In my case, I will use the PIN number in conjunction with the YubiKey token. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with this new page. And on this page, the only required field is the project account. This is the account that will be used when this job is submitted to the queue. I'll go ahead and specify the project account to use. You can change all these other fields. I'm going to reduce the wall time to 30 minutes. And once this is done, I'll just click the spawn button. At this point, the only thing left is just to wait. This will take a few seconds or a minute, depending on how busy the queue is. So once the spawning server is up and running, you will be presented with a new page. This new page takes you directly to JupyterLab environment. As you can see, this is your regular JupyterLab environment as what you would have on your computer, your personal machine. So you can navigate around. You can open the terminal and execute commands. Can check to see what directory. So by default, the JupyterLab is launched from your home directory. You can launch notebooks. You can do all sorts of things. So once you're done with your work, if you close the browser, this doesn't actually kill your server or your job. So what you need to do is click on the Hub section. This will present you with two options. Click on the control panel. This will take you to a new page with two buttons, the Stop My Server and the My Server. So if you want to go back to your server, you just have to click on the My Server button. And to kill or to stop your server, you just click on the Stop My Server. As you can see, it doesn't really show that anything happened, but just wait a few seconds because actually something happened in the background. After a few seconds, the Stop My Server button will just disappear. This is a sign that your running server was shut down successfully. If you click on the home, it will just stay wherever you are. And if you want to launch or to start your server again, you just click on the Start My Server and it will take you to the spawner option page. And from here, you can just go through the procedure again. That's it for today. Thank you.